How to change your height in Roblox. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your height in Roblox using just your mobile device. Whether you want your avatar to be taller or shorter, I'll guide you step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Roblox app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon or your name at the top of the screen. And once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply scroll down and just a little bit until you see the section labeled as currently waiting. And now here, this section shows all the accessories, outfit and gear your avatar has equipped. So here just tap on any item you're wearing, for example, your pal hair or another accessories. And here once you're done with that, on the next page just tap on blue customize button which can be seen in the bottom of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the customization page. Now here, simply swipe left through the options until you find the one labeled build and simply tap on it. And this is where the all magic happens. So here simply scroll down and now in the build section you'll see the slider or options for body type, height or width. So here you can just move the height slider to the left to make your avatar shorter or to the right to make it taller. And here you can also adjust the width for a completely custom look. And once you're happy with the look, you can exit the customization screen and that's it. That's how you can change your height on Roblox app. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.